today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own Minecraft wooden block craft. We're going to take these wooden blocks and make this Minecraft parrot. Let's go over the materials you'll need for this craft. We're going to be using 1/2-inch wooden blocks, some wood glue, some primer or gesso, a sanding block, different color paints depending on which parrot you want to do, as well as paintbrushes. If you guys need any materials we're using in this craft, check for links in the description. Now that we got everything we need, let's go ahead and jump into this build. Find Tip Creative Studio. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you guys can win this Walmart exclusive Beetlejuice Funko Pop. Let's get into the video.
All right, guys, we got our glue and our 1/2-inch block.
Now let's get this parrot started. So we have all the pieces assembled, and here's a picture of all the pieces.
Here we have all the pieces assembled. You've got the body in the center with the 2 wings on the side. On the top, you've got the head with the mohawk, feet on the bottom, and the wing off to the side. And once we have this bird fully assembled, we'll show you some 360 video so you can get a good idea of all the blocks we used. We decided to give our parrot a little more personality by cutting some angles on the feet, head, and mohawk. We did this using a handsaw and some power tools, but to be honest, it was a little difficult, so if you don't have the experience, just stick with the blocks for now. So we got all our pieces ready to go.
And now we're gonna glue them all together and get ready to paint.
While assembling, we decided to incorporate some hot glue along with the wood glue to help the pieces set faster so we could continue working on this project.
So now we're gonna do the tail, and as well as the mohawk.
And here is our Minecraft parrot fully assembled. This 360 video should give you a better idea of how many blocks we used and how they were assembled.
Now, let's get gessoing.
We recommend a coat of primer as it will give you a smoother finish, allow you to use less coats of paint, and give you a much more durable paint job.
So now that the gesso has dried, I'm gonna go over with a light sand just to make it so that it doesn't have bumps. Now it's time to paint. I'm gonna be doing the red, yellow, and blue parrot, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. And for the last step, we seal it up with some decoupage. Enjoyed watching us make this really cool Minecraft wooden block parrot. And if you guys do like these types of craft, stay tuned and subscribe because we're gonna be making a bunch of other ones. Like I'm planning on making a sword, which one side's diamonds and the other side netherite. With these half-inch blocks, and then me and my dad, a little in the future, are gonna be making a giant pot with a wither rose or a rose for Minecraft with these 1-inch blocks. So you guys, if any of those sound interesting to you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay notified when we upload a new video. If you like creative crafts, go check out our creative playlist. And if you guys like collectibles, like the one you see behind me, go check out our Toys Collectibles playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe because you guys have a chance to win this Beetlejuice Walmart exclusive Funko Pop when we hit 1,000 subscribers. All you guys have to do to enter is subscribe and comment on any video mentioning the Beetlejuice Funko Pop giveaway. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe and stay tuned. Fine Tip Creative Studio.